Take a look at this 1988 Chevrolet Suburban. Now this is a 3/4 ton Suburban, so you got 8-bolt wheels on there, 3/4 ton axles, of course. So this is a 3/4 ton truck. It was born that way. This isn't a, some guys will take a 1/2 ton truck and put the 3/4 ton axles under it. This one was indeed born a 3/4 ton. And boy, you don't see them this solid very often, that's for sure. The gentleman that has it on consignment with us, he brought it in to us just the way you see it. And he stated that the truck had started out in California, and I believe he got the truck in Idaho, and he's had it now and decided that it's time for someone else to play with it. So it is now here for sale and ready for the next owner here at Unique Classic Cars. Now you can see all of the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And there you'll find photos of the inside, outside, and the underside for you to take a look at. The nice thing with this truck is it is very solid. As you know, if you follow this style of truck of any kind, you know that they are prone to rust, and fortunately this one has avoided that. That's the best part about this truck. Now, folks, I'm not going to kid you. If you walk around it, you'll see here, I'll go kind of a little bit closer here. The paint, it kind of, there's different shades of red, I guess you might say, on the truck. So the paint is not perfect by any means. There's some blemishes, there's some peeling, some things like that. But the good paint is an easy fix. A rusted out truck, that's not easy to fix. And this one, like I said, is in fact solid. Here's some more of the paint issues here. Just want to let you know that it's you got a solid truck here, but the paint is, I mean, it's not absolutely terrible, but you can tell that it doesn't quite match in a few spots and things like this. So we'll get that out of the way first. That being said, let's take a look at the inside. And as I mentioned, it was born a 3/4 ton truck. You can see that right here on the tag as a 8600 GVW. So that tells you it's a 3/4 ton. But again, look at the bottoms of the doors, the rockers. You know, a few stone chips there, of course. But my goodness, to see one this solid is fun. This one was equipped with power windows, power door locks, tilt wheel, bucket seats up front with the console. Factory dash pad there. Doesn't look too bad. Get a look at the headliner all the way back. Of course, it does have the fold down armrests as well. A little bit of wear showing on the seat, but overall, not too bad. Same story here, nice and solid. Of course, this does have the split folding rear seat. I've got the short side folded up over there, so that gives you access. This truck does have the third seat in it as well. So it's ready to haul, tow, whatever you want to do with it. Take a look over at the other side here. Now again, all of the still pictures of this truck are on the website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Left the glove box open so we can get a shot of the tag there for those. Now again, there's a still shot of that on the website as well. And yes, the truck is 4-wheel drive. I guess I forgot to mention that. This is a 4x4 truck. You probably could figure that out by looking at the pictures. Again, here's a look at the other side and the back seat. Pretty clean old truck on the inside, that's for sure. Let's open up the back hatch here. Of course, the spare tire is inboard of the truck right there. Back up so you can see it all opened up nice. But again, very solid. Even these rear doors, they're kind of prone to rusting, and it is, again, a very solid truck. All right, I will get the hood opened up, and we'll get this big boy fired up for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And she's running. Previous owner states this truck is powered by 350 V8 engine. Looks like it's got some different valve covers and aftermarket aluminum intake there. It is a factory air conditioned truck, but I did notice that the belt is off of it, so he does not have it hooked up currently. The truck does have power steering and power brakes. You can hear it idles very smooth. Get a look down the side. Pretty straight truck. And it's got a little bit of a tough sounding exhaust on it. Kind of fits the look of the truck, that's for sure. So you can see all the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are always welcome. Financing is available. And this truck would qualify for an extended service contract should you want to protect your truck after the purchase.